Hello world, and I'm Slesha Gupta back here on my channel, and you are most welcome over here. And in this video, I'll be talking about the top startup courses which you can take up. So, if you also want to be an entrepreneur and you also want to launch your own startups, these courses can be pretty much helpful to accelerate your journey. So, without wasting any further time of yours, let's get started. So the first course which I found useful was by Y Combinator. So if you are into, you have got some research and all, you might have heard the name of Y Combinator before because it funds the startups at their early stages, and it has funded many popular startups like Airbnb, Twitch, etc. So let's have a look at this website. They usually fund the startups, but they also have their own startup school where they help you to get started. It's a 8-week long online course, and many popular entrepreneurs over here have given their suggestions, and they have been a part of this course over a long time. So, like as you can see, over here, Elon Musk, Mark Zuckerberg, they have also provided their suggestions in this course. I found it pretty much useful. It was an 8-week course, and yeah, they also have meetups and all. So this startup school can be very much useful to you. I'll be pasting the links of all these websites in the description, so you can just go and check it out. This was the first one. Let's move on to the second one. The second one is by the government of India itself. The government of India has launched their own startup course by with the help of some popular businessmen to help the population of India and the citizens of India, encourage them to create their own startups. So this startup course, I have uh, you can just go Google and you can type Startup India course. So this is a course for entrepreneurs. That's not the actual course actually. uh, I'm having that link in the clipboard. I'll be pasting this link in the description also. So that's the actual course. And yeah, very famous businessmen have been a part of this course, so I think that it must be helpful. And I personally suggest you to be a part of this course because it has provided all the scenarios that how can you develop and how can you scale your startup in economic environment of India. So this is in the perspective of India, that how can you scale your startup and have a successful business in the Indian region. So I think that it would be more of a help than than taking any other course which is from outside India. So that's my suggestion, and you can take up this course. They'll also provide you with some certification and all. But the main goal from this course must be the learning which you take with this course. So that was the second one, and third and last but not the least, it is by Google. Google have also launched its course for the people of India, the startup school for from Google. Over here you can just scroll it down. As you can see, startup schools in India, that's a virtual course obviously. But in this course I personally find it a bit okay. You can use it for your learning purpose, but in this I think that Google has more of marketed its own product, that how can you create your own startup using Google products. Actually, the name of the course must be that way. But yeah, also if you want, you can take up this course. It's also not a very vast course. It's I think of a week or two only. So it has already started, and if you want, you can go and watch out these videos before you get into the latest lectures. So yeah, this course also can be helpful. There are many popular people who have been a part of this course, and they'll be telling you about how can you design a product, what will be your strategy, what will be your tech strategy, what will be your marketing strategy, and how can you have a successful startup, how can you lead your team, etc, etc. So yeah, I hope that is this in today's video, the names which I have provided you and the courses which I have told you You might take them up and they might be of some help to you. And if you have any suggestions, you can tell me in the comment section below. If you have any queries, then also you can comment below. And I hope that that's all for today, and thanks a lot for watching.